We finally made it, 5,000 miles. This is a 5,000 mile review. I got the ATV when it was only maybe 2 or 3 years old. It's a 2007 Honda TRX 400 FGA. I got it with 75 original miles, but they were really hard miles. They used it to plow snow in Michigan, so that's not that good for it. Overall, the ATV's been really good for me. It's 400cc. I run Mobil 1 full synthetic motorcycle racing oil 10W40. That's all I run in it. The tires, the first set of tires lasted about 3,000 miles. They were Carlisle's, made in USA. These are made in China. They were gone in about 2,000 miles, maybe 2,500 miles, they're gone. The back tires have a lot of tread left on them still. They're not like the front ones. The front ones ate up real quick. And they ate up evenly, so that not an alignment problem. I had 4 new tie rod ends put in maybe a year ago. The one left tire was getting eat up from the old tie rod ends. I lost the original seat. I don't remember where it went. What else? Oh, the exhaust got loud. The original exhaust, that muffler went out. They wanted $350 just for the muffler alone, that muffler. And I found this muffler at the flea market for $5 used. And I had it directly welded on there, and then had that welded up. If you put an aftermarket muffler on, it's gotta be fuel tuned. And if it's not fuel tuned, it'll never run right. That's why I wanted to just put a second muffler on. I tried packing this one to make it even quieter. There's a thing right there to open it up. I put that insulation, like that pink insulation in there, but I think it blew out. It's got a trailer hitch. It's been a really good ATV for me. It'll still last a long time. Right here we got the 5,000 miles. We got 60 miles today. 1238. 332.7 miles. This has that GPS scape too. It tells where you're at. That oil change light comes on, it comes on too often. I don't change the oil as often as that. What else? It's got 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive. With an indicator, 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive. I did this mod with the, you go like this. It keeps you from getting that thumb fatigue. All it is a piece of rubber hose. I think it was fuel line hose. You grab like this. I can ride all day like that. Then we got fully automatic. It goes in here. Drive. And that's reverse. Then we got ESP. I think it's called electronic shift program, or maybe electric shift program. It's on here. It goes up and down. Oh, you can put it in gear. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. They go right here, up and down. And then I had to put that camera mount on there, but it doesn't want to work. It wants to shake. I wanted it for video. I need to just go buy a GoPro camera. This Harley Davidson mirror, I had it put on. Well, I put it on myself. I figured it out too, that mount right there is a Barjan CB antenna mount for like on a truck mirror. And then I mounted the mirror right to that. It works out real good. Got a cigarette lighter. I think all of them had that. This ATV was made in Japan. It's not one of the ones from South Carolina. They're making them in South Carolina now. They've made them for years. This 2007, I got it when it was only 2 or 3 years old. It only had 75 miles on it. It's been a really good ATV. What else? And the brakes, I haven't did nothing with the brakes. Oh, right at 500 miles, exactly 500 miles. I was out in nowhere at Croom Motorcycle Riding Area. Right at 500 miles, there was a loud clang in the motor. And I just kept riding. It's been 4,500 miles since then. Nothing's gone wrong. I don't know what that clang was. A motorcycle place ripped me off for adjustive valves. It used to have this fuel ping noise, and he adjusted the valves for 80 bucks, and it ended up doing nothing. It didn't, maybe a little bit quieter. When I started running Shell V-Power, the noise went completely away. It's a little pinging noise. When you run higher octane, it helps a really lot. Right now it's Shell V-Power's $4.50 a gallon. I didn't get it this time. I got mid-grade, and it's been okay. There's no pinging. I really like this exhaust. It's a lot quieter. I was scaring the deer and the wild boar where I ride. Now they can't hear me hardly. That was all custom made. That was welded right on the original. What else? I did the air filter. I did the front and rear differentials with full synthetic. I should put Mobil 1 full synthetic in both. I bet that Mobil 1's expensive. It's got Redline in it. I got the Redline for free. I don't really like Redline because it's as thin as water. It's really thin. That box I got my paperwork and permits in. Those wheels are ate up bad. The front tires. Made in China, what do you expect? I can't think of anything else. It's the best ATV I've ever had. Look at that seat. I think that seat's off of a bigger one like a Rubicon. It doesn't fit, but it's better than nothing. No oil leaks at all. No exhaust smoke. Oh, I did have exhaust smoke a while ago. When I was camping, they put something in my oil. I know they did. Because when I got home, it smoked really bad, and when I checked the oil, the dipstick, it was way up over. It was way up over on the dipstick, like somebody put something in there. I'm almost sure somebody put water, some liquid in there. When I changed the oil, then it didn't smoke at all. It's been a really good ATV. I like riding it. The brand new ones get 53 miles to the gallon, the Ranchers. This one I know gets 25, maybe 30. I like that quiet exhaust. It's 6 feet away right here. You could hardly hear it. Trying to think if there's anything else. I got my full face helmet I wear. The camo gloves. That's a 5,000 mile review. I don't think I forgot anything else. The fuel, it's got a fuel selector. It's got on, off, and it's got reserve. I haven't really had any fuel problems, I'm lucky. Inside the tank there's a strainer, but I never took it out. You gotta take the tank apart to get to it. It's in the bottom of the tank. It probably should be cleaned. I never took it out to clean it. Yeah, it's a good running ATV. I'd recommend the Honda to anybody.